Hi, it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and I've got this 2018 GSXR1000. We've just done a full ECU remap on it. The customer has just fitted a full Akrapovic exhaust system and a Cairn air filter over winter. So it was running really rough before, so I'm going to do the final run now and we'll see what we've achieved. Right, so when I started we had 178, that's at the rear wheel brake horsepower. Now we've got 188.4, so again a 10 brake horsepower, that's top end. Mid-range has gone from 112 to 126, so another gain of 14 horsepower, so a lot better bike. Accelerates so much better, so much more smooth, no snatchiness now on the throttle, which these are really bad for. So yeah, it should be a lot better. We've trimmed his fuel in to suit that exhaust and air filter, done a little bit of ignition mapping, mapped the electronic throttle, and turned a few things off that he doesn't need now. He's got a full system on, and should be a lot better bike for him. So yeah, if you know what yours doing, please give us a call.